Generally, we have understanding that insurance is like life insurance is there, property insurance is there. Why insurance is required for IP? Again, please note, IP is a type of property. So, there are also chances of theft, which we call infringement. To prove this, we have to approach court, or sometimes by ignorance, you infringe some other person's IP, and this attracts litigation. As you know, litigation is very costly. So under IP insurance, you receive coverage to intellectual property. It is secured, thus it can cover legal cost of enforcement of claims and legal cost in defending. Thus, this IP insurance will help you to avoid such type of expenses which may rise due to ignorance or due to some other reasons.